Breaking news. Internet news, radio blog news. According to reports, a naked man caused all sorts of problems in San Francisco, reports say. Reports say the naked man was assaulting passengers, doing gymnastics on top of the ticketing machine, and moving around on the floor in a very strange way. It was said the man attacked both a young woman and an elderly man. According to reports, he was eventually taken into police custody. Breaking internet news, radio blog news. Naked man attacks passengers at station. You hear it here first. Internet news, radio blog news, we can use.